Oh. Oh my God. Wow. It's day 3 and it is raining. We're gonna check out Hilo today, even though it's just raining all over Hilo, but we're gonna go there anyway. Maybe skate inside the Oasis Skateshop mini ramp, which sounds kind of fun. And we wanted to check out some volcanoes tonight. Look at that over there. Whoa, we wanted to check out some volcanoes tonight. It might be raining. I don't know what we're gonna do, but you're gonna see what we do. Drink the water. What's up, little baby goats? They're so oh. Is it?
Oh, they're so good.
Oh, oh. Ah. Oh, this one's just eating my oh, look, this one's just eating my thumb. Ah, what are you? Oh, look at these guys. Oh, oh. Oh my God. We made it down to Skatepark DIY on the Big Island, which to me is the coolest place to skate on the entire Big Island. It was like the #1 place that I wanted to hit while we were down here. And now we're about to hit it. Skaters made this all. It's got a bunch of really unique obstacles. It's pretty challenging, which I like. So we're gonna skate it. The end. Yeah, Nana. Oh! Oh my God! All right, so we're at Volcanoes National Park and we're walking to an eruption site. I guess there's a volcano erupting right now, and the place we're walking to is the closest place that you can get to a volcano. It's a mile walk to the eruption site, and then we're gonna be half a mile away from the actual eruption itself. So I'm trying to see some lava. You trying to see? Oh, too bright. I want to see some lava. All right, we're getting close. You can kind of see light from the lava. We're gonna see some lava. Oh my God, look at that. No way. Oh my God. Lava. Lava. Magma. Well, we finally made it to Root Skate Park. It's not working out too well. All right, it's the next day and we finally made it to Root Skate Park again. But yeah, it's not raining. Yes.
Yeah!